Compared to other new trucks, the new Ford Maverick isn't suitable for off-roading right away. It's a powerful small vehicle, but you need certain trims and options to enjoy muddy terrain and jungle trails in your new Maverick. This is where the Maverick's FX4 package comes in. If you like off-roading and want to get the most out of your vehicle, the FX4 off-road kit is a no-brainer. So let's look at 10 things we love about the 2023 Ford Maverick FX4. The standard Ford Maverick comes with a ground clearance of 8.3 inches. This is the standard clearance for the front-wheel drive models, while the all-wheel drive Maverick, which is standard on the FX4 package, comes with 8.6 inches of ground clearance. Not only does this added ride height make the Maverick look more rugged and athletic, but it also adds some extra room to navigate tricky terrains. In fact, for even more serious off-roading, Ford offers the trimmer package on the Maverick, which takes the truck's ground clearance all the way up to 9.4 inches. The FX4 package on the Ford Maverick is for off-roading enthusiasts, and as such, it comes with all-terrain tires from Pirelli. These tires adorn the unique 17-inch wheels that come with the FX4 package and feature a more aggressive tread pattern. Not only are the all-terrain tires on the Ford Maverick FX4 more durable than the ones found on the standard model, but they also provide much better traction on off-road surfaces like dirt, mud, and gravel. For the 2022 and 2023 Ford Maverick, a big talking point has been the truck's full hybrid powertrain, which is the standard power unit. The Maverick features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, combining to make 191 horsepower and 155 pound-feet of torque. However, Ford only offers the FX4 package with the 2.0-liter EcoBoost gas-powered engine, which delivers a lot more power. Making 250 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque, the EcoBoost engine comes mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and the FX4 package comes only with all-wheel drive. The FX4 package on the Ford Maverick isn't merely a superficial off-roading package, and Ford has given the Maverick some pretty serious upgrades to help the truck's off-roading credentials. The Maverick FX4 comes with a more rugged off-roading suspension to help you get through tough terrains without breaking a sweat. Furthermore, the FX4 also features a lockable rear differential, along with a heavy-duty engine fan and radiator to handle testing environments easily. The importance of skid plates on your off-roading vehicle cannot be overstated. Ford has added not 2 but 4 underbody skid plates to protect the Maverick FX4's sensitive parts for driving over bumps and rocks, armed with the all-terrain tires. The skid plates include a front bash plate, an engine skid plate, and a charcoal canister shield, along with an upgraded front bumper to give the Ford Maverick FX4 well-rounded protection. The FX4 package on the Ford Maverick adds plenty of quality-of-life features not just inside, but to the mechanics of the truck as well. The heavy-duty engine fan and radiator provide additional cooling, which is fairly capable of improving the life of the engine. Moreover, the FX4 model comes with the upgraded independent multi-link trailing arm suspension along with off-road tuned shock absorbers, which are simply a must-have for anyone looking to veer off the tarmac to explore the path less taken. When you select the FX4 package for the Ford Maverick, which has the option code 17S, the truck also comes with added front tow hooks and a front bash plate. Further additions include a trailer hitch receiver, a winch to get yourself or a friend out of trouble if needed, and exclusive FX4 bedside graphics to let everyone know you're not one for the road. No matter where you are and what kind of environment is testing you, the Ford Maverick FX4 will keep you comfortable and happy inside. The cabin of the Maverick FX4 is packed with great features like Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation as standard. Moreover, the massive center touchscreen and the angled heads-up display certainly warrant all the attention inside. The Maverick FX4 also comes with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 Safety Suite, ensuring you'd be safe and secure wherever you go. Among all the niceties and upgrades that come with the Ford Maverick FX4, off-roading and adventuring enthusiasts would come to love the truck's unique FLEXBED the most. The FLEXBED lets you use the Maverick's truck bed, which is quite large already, in several convenient ways, allowing you to customize it with bike rails and side rails as per your convenience. There are certain driving modes that are off-road specific and exclusive to the Ford Maverick FX4 package. These include a hill descent control mode that sets the truck at a certain speed on a decline, so you can focus solely on maneuvering your Maverick. Along with this, the FX4 Maverick also comes with two unique drive modes, which aren't available on the standard model. These drive modes are the Mud Ruts mode and the Sand mode.